Galaxy A15 5G just got a major upgrade in the USA. Here's everything you need to know. Did you just get a software update on your Galaxy A15 5G and wonder what's new? Well, buckle up. Samsung has officially rolled out the Android 15 based One UI 7.0 update for the Galaxy A15 5G in the USA, and it's packed with fresh features and a sleek new look. Last month, Samsung kicked things off by releasing the One UI 7.0 update in South Korea. It later reached parts of Asia, North America, India, and Latin America. And now, it's finally arrived in the US, starting with carrier locked models. What's new? This update gives your phone a fresh new vibe. Refreshed UI design, new icons and polished elements, separate panels for notifications and quick settings, smoother animations for a buttery feel, cool features like live notifications and the Now bar. Plus, you get the May 2025 security patch for better protection. How to check for the update? Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. If you don't see it yet, don't panic. Samsung is rolling it out in phases. Just wait a little longer. Want it early? We'll soon upload the firmware to our database so you can manually install it using Odin if you're into that. This update brings massive visual and functional improvements that make your Galaxy A15 5G feel brand new again. If you've been waiting for smoother performance and modern features, this is it. Like, share, and comment below if you've received the update yet. And don't forget to subscribe for more Galaxy tips and update news.